Greetings. Today you find me in a different environment. In the garden, on the garden furniture. Well, I got a little project which doesn't require me being in the woods. A couple of weeks ago I was at the wilderness gathering and I came across a few Swiss Army knives in one of the second-hand stalls. So I bought one of them. It's in a bit of a sorry state. It's very stiff to open, blades are blunt. Here it is. It had been soaking with me for 2 weeks in WD-40 to try and loosen it. Didn't work. I've blown air through it, you name it, I've done it. Well, this morning I thought to myself, I'm going to pull the scales off, give the pins a tap. So that's what I did. Scales came off easy. And I just put it on my vise, give them a little tap. Lo and behold, they now come out pretty easy. So, you're thinking to yourself, why did he take the scales off? Because I got some new ones. Boys are laughing at me because I paid 12 quid for a Swiss Army knife which needed a lot of attention, and I've probably spent about 18 quid there on spare parts, and I've also ordered Firefly ferrocerium rods to go in the handle as well, and with the postage from the States they weren't cheap, but I don't care. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going in the shed, I'm going to sharpen this up, then I'm going to put new scales on it, and it'll be like a new knife. What I forgot to mention, while I'm at it, I'm going to change the profile of the small blade. I've been watching Felix Imler on YouTube, and he does some good stuff, and I'd seen that he had taken a section off the blade to make it into a narrow sheep's foot carver. I'm going to do the same thing. So first thing, I'll give that a little tickle. That belt was a 180, now I'm going to put a 40 or a 60 on to take the meat off the other one. So I got a 140. I think I put a mask on as well. There you go. So I decided against the sheep's foot and just thought I'd keep it irregular sort of shape. That's more like a carver I'm used to anyway. So now I'm going to put a little bevel on it. Done. That's a bit of a Scandi bevel there. I quite like that. So I'm going to go through all the grits now and do these two blades sharp. That's a bit boring. You don't want to see that. That's the blade sharp. Now I'm going to polish the edges. Well, I polished all the blades up and they're looking good. There's my carving blade. That really doesn't take long to do on a knife maker's grinder. I'm going to give it a little clean now, make sure there's no grit from grinding got into it, and then I'm going to pop the new scales on. Got a bit of Kydex on the bottom, bit of Kydex on the top. So that's my sack pimped. Just need to put all the bits and bobs in there now. I look forward to getting my fireflies from the US. I'm also going to put a lanyard on here from survival cord, so when I get my fireflies, at least I'll have easy tinder. Because they're small, it may not be the easiest thing to light stuff with, but if I've got the survival cord, then I'm laughing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.